Good morning, y'all. My name is Mr. Brown. I'm one of the 9th grade physics teachers here at Byers, if you've never met me, and I'm here to introduce the Talon nominees for the week. So, I guess after each nominee, I'll just say a quick thing, and then we'll go into the winner. So, Audrey, such a joy to have in class, and your genuine interest for people and for content really shines. Ahmed, your eagerness and just your desire to learn always comes through. You ask great questions and you bring a lot of much needed energy to class. And Kamira, you always push the class with your share-outs. You ask great questions and help our class chat be absolutely hilarious. And yeah, I truly appreciate all three of y'all. Thank you so much for your engagement in class. And just helping make class feel really joyful. And so without further ado, this week's winner truly embodies the meaning of hard work, your care for people in your life, Byers community members, and education is evident in your interactions. You're always pushing yourself to be the best student that you can, always asking for feedback, volunteering to share out your answers, and you definitely help push me to be a better teacher. So congratulations, Audrey. We're so proud of you, and keep up the great work as we approach the end of the trimester. All right, bye.